4th May, 4 missile alerts went off inside the UAE. The first time since the ceasefire, commercial planes turned around mid-air. And I'm going to tell you something that most people in this market won't say out loud. Look, I'm not here to sit and tell you everything is fine, because it isn't. What happened on May 4th was real. Iran fired 15 missiles and 4 drones directly at UAE territory.
Well, as we mentioned earlier, a fire broke out at a UAE petroleum facility in Fujairah. The government has said it intercepted several Iranian missiles.
The UAE defense minister confirmed its air defenses intercepted and engaged all of them. 3 cruise missiles caught in the air. 1 fell into the sea. In Fujairah, 1 drone started fire at oil facility. 4 missiles alert were sent to every phone in this country. Commercial planes turned around mid-flight. And here is what nobody is explaining clearly. The United States launched what they call Project Freedom, a military operation to escort ships through a Strait of Hormuz that Iran has blockaded since the war began. Iran called it provocation. America called it legal right. US Navy forces sank 6 Iranian fast boats in response. So, this is the situation. A ceasefire that was supposed to hold, being tested, seriously tested. I have been in this market for 20 years, as an investor, as a hospitality partner, as a realtor. And I'm not going to give you the comfortable version of what this means. What matters for your money? Here is the most important distinctions I can give you today. The stock market and the physical property are not the same animal. Stocks get sold in seconds. Panic spreads in seconds. The Dubai financial market moved harder when this news broke. That's real. But you cannot sell an apartment in 10 minutes. You cannot panic exit a villa while you are having your morning coffee. That liquidity, which investors sometimes see a weakness, is actually the thing that protects you in a moment exactly like this. Cushman & Wakefield, one of the world's largest real estate advisory firm, published this in 2026 March. Their capital markets team found no meaningful pullback in physical property deal after the initial conflict escalation. This is not a crash signal. This is a pause signal. There is a very big difference between the two. If what I'm sharing this week is giving you clarity about your UAE investment, or if you have capital you are trying to position right now, you want to understand the actual picture, I meet with investor in Dubai throughout the week. No presentation, no pitch deck. Just a straight conversation about your specific situation. If that's worth your time, you know where to find me. In my next video, I'm going to show you 5 situations, 5 real countries that got hit much harder than this. Countries where investors genuinely had every reason to panic, and I'm going to show you exactly what happened to property value after. One of those examples is going to completely change how you are thinking about this. I don't sell property, I sell clarity. If you want brutal honesty, real data, and someone who has been inside this market for 20 years, you know where to find me.